A closer look 1. 5. Listen to the recording and practice saying the sentences. Pay attention to the way the verb be is pronounced.
1.
Where are you? You aren't at the bus stop.
I am at the bus stop, but I can't see you. 2.
Are you busy right now?
Yes, I am. Sorry, could you wait for a minute? 3.
Is Ronya in?
No, she's out ice skating.
But it's so cold.
It is, but she's got all her warm clothes on. 4.
Wasn't Bill disappointed about the exam result?
He was, but he was hiding it well. 1.
You aren't worried about the exam. Good for you.
I am worried, but I try not to show it. 2.
Do you think Jack is good at Japanese?
He is, but he's a bit shy to speak it. 3.
Isn't badminton her favourite sport?
Yes, it is. 4.
Who's he?
5.
Sorry, we're late.
Actually, you aren't. We haven't started yet. 6.
Is she happy at the new school?
Yes, she is. She likes it a lot.